You are watching a virtual presentation and start multitasking, or you just become disengaged in the content. The presenter has their video on and their PowerPoint is the same old kind of PowerPoint, and the presenter is literally just reading off their slides. Then you have to present and you do the exact same thing, and you realize you want the audience to be more engaged and you want them to show more interest in the content you are presenting. You start wondering, what can I do differently? In this video, I talk about sitting or standing for virtual presentations and which you should do to elevate your next virtual presentation. Hi YouTube, I'm Ryan and this is the Elevate Project. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and consider subscribing if you like content like this one. If you're watching this video, you probably have been doing more online presentations than ever before, and you're looking at different ways to improve and elevate your presentations. This small change might be one of those ways. Before we dive into which is better, sitting or standing, let's discuss presenting live in person. In the past, everyone in most cases would always present standing in front of their peers or a crowded room. If you were like me, I would practice introductions, maybe even one-liners or riveting or interesting questions to break the ice, gain buy-in from your audience, that you have something interesting and exciting to share. And you find different ways to connect with pictures, videos, or even activities to get your main points across. There is a reason you stand while presenting. You become engaging. You are commanding the room. You become the expert on whatever you are delivering. As a person in the audience, sitting, watching a presenter, you notice the nuances and connection a presenter tries to exhibit with eye contact and hand movements. You can leverage standing and moving around to increase your energy, make it easier to project passion in your voice, use flexion and tonality, emphasize words to connect your content to your audience. You can see and read the audience and adapt on the fly. The main reason why we stand when we present in person is non-verbally telling the audience you care about the information and you want to share it, and it reminds the audience that they should care about the information or the content you are presenting. When you present in person sitting down, in most cases, that is telling the audience you just don't care or you don't believe in the information you are delivering. In turn, the audience will not care. Today, we are presenting on Zoom, Webex, Microsoft Teams, or other video conferencing platforms. Most, if not all, presenters on these platforms are usually presenting sitting down, which makes it difficult to stand out, no pun intended, when you're sitting. I personally find it difficult to project energy and excitement when sitting down for a presentation. Not saying you can't with practice. Depending on your presentation and your supporting materials like a PowerPoint, it makes it easy to have your content and read through your presentation. I was on a Zoom meeting or Webex video conference about 6 months ago and first noticed a presenter standing up, and I immediately noticed and was more engaged in what the presenter had to say. Honestly though, there isn't a right or wrong way to present online, and neither is really better, dependent on the practice you put into the presentation beforehand. If you haven't tried standing when presenting online, I urge you to try and see which works better for you. I find it makes it easier and flows really well in topics I am well versed in, and the advantage of standing is also if you are able to elevate the webcam to eye level and position yourself as if you're presenting live, which can help you adapt to different situations and emulate eye contact and use hand movements to really focus and express certain points. Remember, a presentation, dependent if it's live or online, is a presentation, and you should act accordingly. Try standing on your next presentation and deliver your presentation with passion and vigor that your audience and your content deserve. That gives you a little bit of thought about standing and why I stand for my presentations online. If you find value in this video, hit that like button and comment below to let me know your thoughts and experiences if you have tried presenting online standing up. If you like content like this one, consider subscribing by hitting the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so you get notified the next time I upload a new video. Thank you for watching, everyone, and I will catch you in the next one.